In this video, I'll be showing you how to use KFC app to order. So from the home page, if you want to order, you want to go onto the menu. So here you can pick from delivery or pickup. So I'll select pickup. If the store's not open, it will allow you to select a time, and you have some options that you can do once you get to the store. So for example, I want to dine in or take away, or take away. So once you have selected your store and your collection options, you'll be able to pick your order. Once you have picked all of your items, we want to press view basket. And here you just want to review everything, make sure it's right, make sure your delivery options are correct, and the address, stuff like that. If you have a discount code, apply a discount code here, edit and remove any orders here, and then proceed to checkout when you are ready. Here it will give us some options. You can pay by Apple Pay, pay by new cards. You can donate with your order. Once you have selected all these options, press continue. So it's just saying that I cannot collect it because the store is closed right now, as I'm in a different time zone. But once you press continue, it will allow you to put in all your information about your payment types, and then you will be able to order from the KFC app. Once you've done that, you just need to follow the instructions in which you laid out. So collection, delivery, blah, blah, blah. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.